This is my winter project, and it's starting to come together. It's March, and here are a few of the latest tips and tricks. Out of West Germany, these are Magnaflux heat sinks. They run off of polarity, positive here, negative here, negative here. And what it does is it takes the heat vapor coming off the head, theoretically, and ionizes it for positive and negative and dissipates it. So that's the latest and greatest thing out of West Germany. If you're from Europe or from anywhere and you have the brand newest stuff and you've seen it here first, well, eat your hearts out. This year I'm going to be doing a lot of carburetor work with stock Makunis. These are real ones, these aren't fake or copies or whatever the hell I have. This is 28 Makuni. It's been worked on just a little bit. This is a Cayenne Sudco. There's two Cayenne Sudcos right here. This is a 28 millimeter modified Sudco. This is the big boy, bad boy, 33 millimeter Sudco. The smaller one has been modified. As you can see, it has a port in the back right here. This is to take nitrous vapors, or depending on the way I want to run it, but I'm going to have extra fuel shoot from the bottom of the bowl here, right here, as the carburetor, or as the engine reaches top speed. Then it will shoot whatever go juice, rocket fuel, or whatever I want into the back of the carb right here and give it an extra kick in the ass top speed, supposedly. Now if that works, then this 28 will be more powerful than a stock 33. See if I can find the number on it. Let's see. I thought I had a 33 right there. Oh well. Anyway, it's a 33. But it'll be more powerful than this one, because it will just be putting more fuel into the engine, in through your intake, into the cylinder, and out through this beautiful, sexy racing pipe. This is the biggest pipe I've ever seen. Okay? And as you know, I hear that a lot from all my girlfriends. But it is a YFIS, and it is just huge. It's even got serial numbers on it, right? Let's see if I can see that. It's right there. Right here. Come on, focus. Damn it. Focus. Shoot. Did I screw that up? How did I do that? Anyway, it's got serial numbers right there. And it's blue. It's really cool. My new, this is a Tata 54 millimeter. I believe this is, no, it's Fongier, I'm sorry. Fongier 54 millimeter with a 52.5 diameter crank. This is my new water pump system here. This is a custom Bosch filter, not a filter, I'm sorry, water pump that is an auxiliary off of an Audi or whatever they use them on. So, and then this is a high perf starter, which is a little bit longer, and you can see it says right there in, I think it's Canadian. It's all Greek to me. So that's what's going on right now. I've got some really cool things coming in that I'm going to slowly put the engine together. And of course, this will only be the very, it's hard to do this with a motor this big, because I have to get the very tip of the pipe in. Otherwise it looks like this, or like this, or like this, and you're going, where's the tip of the pipe? So you always want to put everything in the frame if you can, because it just doesn't look right. You want to be the eye of the viewer. So anyway, I'm going to put the engine together. I'm anxious to see what Grant has with his, he's got a NYC or something like that, rotor kit that fits right in here. Grant O'Mara, I'm sorry, I'm getting old, I can't remember my names. Anyway, Grant, make some videos, let me know how that works, because I'm really interested in that. And that's supposed to speed up the engine. And yes, Grant, I have a bunch of these ramps that are steep ramps. I don't use them. I like the ramp plates for the variator come in a low rise and a steep rise. I use the low rise. It just, my power band is better for me, it being in my advanced, really cool age. Okay.